Today, we will introduce the customized B-frame stapling machine. Put the assembled frames on the table of the machine like this. If necessary, you can press the frame with your hands. Use your feet to control the pedal switch. Then, the work is done, very fast. As you see, there are 6 staples in this frames. If you need to customize, please let us know the position and staple size of your frames. We can customize the machine according to your requirements. The speed of stapling can be controlled by this part. Please note that the lower the number, the faster the staple gun will be. You can adjust the speed according to your needs. The switch of the machine is controlled by a pedal. The machine is shipped as a complete unit and does not require assembly. Very easy to use. And our machines is very safe to operate. If nothing on the table, the staple guns won't work even you step on the pedal. This part will make sure the staple guns only work when there is frames on the table. Like it? Contact us now.